In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to Webflow, 5 minutes. First, head over to calendly.com in your browser. On the home page, click Log In, enter the email address associated with your Calendly account, click Continue, then enter your password and continue. Once you're in, you'll land on your event types. This is where each booking link lives. Find the event you want to embed on your site. On that event's card, click the small gear icon to open its settings. From the menu that appears, choose Add to Website. Calendly will offer a few display options. For this tutorial, select Inline Embed, which places the scheduler directly on your page so visitors can book without opening a pop-up. Click Continue to move to the code screen. Calendly shows a preview and generates the embed snippet you need. Click Copy Code. That puts everything you need on your clipboard, including the script and the container that renders your event. Now switch to your Webflow project. Open the designer and navigate to the page and section where you want the scheduler to appear, maybe on your contact page or a dedicated booking section. Click the add icon to open the Elements panel. This panel is where you can insert layout blocks, text, media, and more. In the search field or under components, find the embed element, sometimes labeled as code embed. Drag it onto the canvas and drop it exactly where you want the Calendly widget to sit within your layout. A code editor will pop up. Paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier into that editor, then save or close it. You should now see a placeholder in the designer. If your section feels cramped or too wide, place the embed inside a div and style that wrapper for padding and max width to keep things tidy and responsive. Calendly's embed is mobile friendly, but a container with a sensible max width, like 700 to 900 pixels, can help it look great across devices. That's the core setup. The event people see on your site is controlled in Calendly, so if you change availability, duration, or questions in Calendly later, the embed updates automatically. No need to touch Webflow again. If you're using custom code on a live domain, remember that publishing may require an appropriate Webflow plan. In the designer preview, you might see a basic placeholder. After you publish your site, the live page will load the full Calendly experience for your visitors. And that's it. You've copied the inline embed from Calendly, added a code embed element in Webflow, and pasted the snippet in place. Your visitors can now book time with you directly on your site.